And now, the general weather around Alaska.
Forecast fire danger for tomorrow here. Nothing but blue on the chart here again. Low from the Arctic coast right on down to the Panhandle with the continued cool, wet conditions. And from there, going to satellite imagery, you can see a lot of clouds here. Swirl, low pressure, slowly tracking eastward here. Main low center looks like it's down in the Gulf of Alaska. Otherwise, a band of clouds and showers up across the northeast interior to the eastern Arctic coast. And then to the west of that band, we got skies clearing out today with sunshine here from the northwest interior right on down into Bristol Bay. Kodiak Island got some cirrus right here with this portion, the southern portion of this cloud feature here. Really not producing any precipitation, mostly mid and high level clouds there. Pretty sunny day with gusty northwest winds across Kodiak Island. Out to the west, up here to the north, next system pushing eastward, already have some clouds about to make landfall there around Point Hope and Cape Lisburne. And then a couple of bands here with a lot of low clouds, fog, light rain and drizzle here coming into the Pribilof Islands, extending down toward the eastern Aleutians. And warm front back here to the west associated with this bright cloud band there from extending from Adak up toward Chimyanatu to the Komodorskis. And you can see that moving again, mostly dropping southeastward here. And on the chart, main area of precipitation just west of the Pribilof Islands today. Otherwise had some clearing down over the eastern Aleutians with high cloud spreading down into that area. Alaska Peninsula, some pretty good sunshine here in the west. And rain and showers persisting, keeping temperatures cool here in the eastern interior. But the Susitna Valley, temperatures rising into the 60s and lower 70s here over the western Susitna Valley had the warmest temperatures because they had the most sunshine there with downsloping off the Alaska Range. Winds gusting to 40 miles an hour today at Kodiak Island there with sunshine and temperatures into the mid 60s. Otherwise, kind of a break here across the southeast coast. Still pretty cloudy with a few scattered showers, but another band of rain will be moving in tonight. Otherwise, out to the west, there's that warm front that'll be tracking eastward, continue to spread rain into the southwest Bering Sea, definitely into Adak, possibly Atka toward morning. And light rain, fog, drizzle, IFR here, Pribilof Islands spreading down to the eastern Aleutians, Alaska Peninsula, and rain and wind coming into the western Arctic coast, as well as down into the northwest valleys there, or actually the Noatak Valley and northern Seward Peninsula. Area clearing, slowly moving eastward, but it'll be variably cloudy with some breaks in the overcast here, south central Alaska. Scattered showers lingering over the east side and rain for the southeast coast. And for tomorrow, that system washes out, weakens here, just this trough right through here. Another weak trough keeps skies mostly cloudy with a few showers around the Panhandle there. Same pattern up here over the southeast interior, but the North Gulf Coast should be dry with some sun breaks. Mostly sunny, Kodiak Island, mostly sunny, Cook Inlet, Susitna Valley, becoming partly to mostly sunny for the Manuska Valley. Mostly cloudy again with, as I just mentioned, scattered showers over the southeast interior. Rain pushing eastward here along the Arctic coast, north slope down to the Brooks Range. Isolated showers. This is mostly just kind of areas of light rain or drizzle and fog coming into the coastline there with that westerly flow and a lot of low stuff here, IFR, out over the northern Bering Sea. Otherwise, rain over the central Aleutians with that warm front, and then that system finally pushes east-southeastward here into the southern southwest Bering Sea. So rain staying west of Nikolsky, but extending from Atka all the way out to the Komodorskis. High pressure here, keeping it nice over Bristol Bay. Into south central Alaska, sunny, Kodiak Island. This front pushes east and southward, bringing rain possibly as far south as Toledo or McGrath-Nikolai area maybe. But staying north of the Susitna Valley, you'll see some clouds in the Susitna Valley, possibly increasing there, mid and high level clouds with rain into the central interior, back to the eastern Arctic coast, scattering out the showers behind that front. Partly to mostly sunny, hopefully, for the southeast coast. Definitely dry, though, conditions there with light winds. Lows tonight for the Panhandle, 50 to 55. 40s here over much of the interior, 30s from the Brooks Range out to the Arctic coast. A little warmer here with increasing southwest flow. Western Arctic coast, but 40s all the way down to the Aleutians. Highs for tomorrow, 60s and lower 70s in the Susitna Valley, well into the 60s for the Kenai Peninsula, maybe even reaching 70 in some areas. and 65 to 70 Bristol Bay, otherwise in the 60s, central and east side there, and in the 50s to near 60 for the southeast coast. Lows, a little milder up on the Arctic coast and north slope there, especially on the east side with gusty southwest winds developing a little bit, not too strong though, and 40s for the Bering Sea, 40s and lower 50s for the Panhandle. And highs, 70s, getting pretty hard to come by here lately over Alaska, but 60s, east side, south of the Brooks Range, all the way down to Kodiak Island. Highs in the upper 50s to mid 60s for the Panhandle, otherwise 50s to the west, 40s over the northern Bering Sea and the western Arctic coast.